uLieutenant General Senthumule uthi wamangala ukuthola umyalelo ukuthi kufanele athathe amadokodo angu-121 ePKTT. Uthi wawungekho umyalelo obhalwe phansi, kepha watshelwa uLieutenant Dumisani Khumalo.
He said to me, "Siswami, uboss wakho uthi mangunikeza ama-dockets we-PKTT." Just like that. And we like ngabuza ngobani. Then he says to me, no, uti uMinister unikeze a directive that those dockets should come to the detectives. So I then said to General Khumalo, unfortunately, boss wakho mina kangibhalelanga, ubhalele wena. So mina ngiyiphoyisa. Uba iphoyisa means ukuthi when you instruct me, it must be in writing.
uSenthumule uthi akazange anikezwe isizathu sokuthi kungani lamadokodo angu-121 alethwe ePitoli. Ulandise ikhomishana ukuthi ukhomishana wamaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal uLieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi kwakumele kube uye oqala okwakufanele atshelwe ngesinqumo sokuhlakazwa kwePKTT.
General Mkhwanazi should have been the first person to be notified about the disbandment.
Yes.
Okay, continue from there.
Yes, because and I hear people throwing this, you are the custodian of the detectives or the dockets. The provincial commissioner is empowered by the Act to look at all issues crime in the province.
Kusenjalo namhlanje inhloko ye-NPA uAdvocate Shamila Batohi ibiqhubeka nokwethula ubufakazi esigcawini sikaNkabinde esiphenya ngobuqotho benhloko ye-NPA eSouth Gauteng uAdvocate Andrew Chauke. uBatohi usole uChauke ngokuthatha izinqumo ezihambisana nenhlese yezombusazwe nokugxambukela emacaleni ayingamdingi ayikwaZulu-Natal. Uthe ezinye izinqumo ezathathwa uChauke zafake i-NPA ehlazweni. Phakathi kwamacala ahoxiswa uChauke ngendlela engaqondakali kubalwa ayebhekene nowayinhloko yophiko lwama-Hawks KwaZulu-Natal uJohan Booysen.
I would submit that Advocate Chauke was well aware that he had no authority to exercise jurisdiction with regard to a matter in KwaZulu-Natal.
Isigcawu sekhomishana kaNkabinde sizoqhubeka mhla zi-3 kwezokwethwasa.